Positive Self-Talk for Self-Esteem, Part 1. Scripts created and spoken by neuroleadership coach Rob Botts. I know that self-esteem is how I see myself in my mind. I recognize that self-esteem is built up through words, thoughts, and actions. The responsibility for building true self-esteem rests with me. I believe that it is always my sole responsibility to build and maintain my self-esteem. I enjoy taking ownership of the way I feel about myself. Boosting my self-esteem makes me feel better about myself and improves every aspect of my life. I know that my appreciation of others and everything around me is a direct result of my self-appreciation. I believe in accepting myself for who I am. I know that I build my self-esteem with every thought I have about myself and every mental picture I create. I have never found it difficult to create and nurture self-esteem. Building self-esteem is both a positive practice and a lifestyle choice. I believe that having positive self-esteem is essential for living a good life. A good life is built on strong self-esteem. I recognize that nobody else can ever affect my self-esteem or take it away from me. I know that only I am in total control of who I am and what I think about myself. I understand that my self-esteem is made up of the programs of myself that I carry in my mind, and that these programs affect my perception of myself and my place in the world. I will build the best programs possible. I know that good self-esteem is never a coincidence. I also know that it is always a matter of making the right choices. I believe that the quality of life is always a reflection of the self-esteem that I create for myself, and that this is something I should always be aware of. The greater my self-esteem, the higher the quality of my life. I know that I can replace any negative self-esteem programs I may have received in the past with new ones that I consciously choose. I find it easy and enjoyable to replace old programs with new ones. I really like the fact that I have the ability to create the best possible image of myself in my mind. I enjoy the process and the outcome. Enjoy practicing and strengthening your self-esteem. Thanks for listening.